Fireglass can turn your gas fireplace into a dazzling display. The variety of colors, shapes, and sizes ensures your fireplace will have a contemporary vibe that turns heads. With such a vast array of fireglass options, the potential beauty you can bring to your home is practically endless. All those choices, though, do have a downside. It can be a pain to understand all the options and to learn how to use your fireglass properly. In this video, let eFireplaceStore show you the ins and outs of indoor fireglass. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What is fireglass? Fireglass refers to small bits of tempered colored glass made for use in your gas fireplace or glass burner. The conventional way manufacturers make fireglass is to first create a tempered pane of dyed glass that's 1/4, 1/2, or 3/4 inches thick. Then polish it with a high temperature laminate, and then break it. After that, the bits go into a machine that smooths out the edges. Many times, fireglass even starts off as recycled glass. The high temperature laminate gives the glass a reflective quality that withstands heat and radiates warmth out to you. And since the glass is tempered, it doesn't collect soot or crack like regular glass would. How much fireglass do you need? For indoor gas burners and gas fireplaces, determining the right amount of fireglass is easy. Just check your installation manual. The information is right there. Manufacturers always state the weight, area, or volume, as well as the type of fireglass appropriate for each individual model of indoor appliance. It's important not to deviate from the manufacturer's directions. Substituting other media, using too much, or getting too creative can lead to major problems down the road. How do you clean fireglass? Depending on how much you have, taking care of your fireglass might be time-consuming, but it's very easy to do. Wash your fireglass. Normal use in your gas hearth appliance over time will leave your fireglass a little less shiny than before. When that happens, make a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar. Remove the fireglass from your appliance and soak it in the mixture for a while. Remove it and let it dry. Your fireglass will look like new. How do you use fireglass safely? Fireglass is treated and tempered to withstand the heat of hearth appliances, so never use common decorative glass in place of fireglass. Regular decorative glass can pop or explode, harming you and others. It can also melt or even cause a stink when used in a fireplace. Never use fireglass in a wood-burning fireplace, stove, or fire pit. Fireglass can withstand the heat of a gas-burning appliance, but it's no match for wood fires. The heat from burning wood is much too high for fireglass, which means you risk melting it. Always handle your fireglass with care. Even though it's tumbled to get rid of sharp edges, there are so many bits that one or two could still cut you. Always use gloves when you need to handle fireglass in large amounts. Lastly, be sure your fireglass is dry before you use it. Turning the burner on when your fireglass is still wet can cause the fireglass to explode. Always let the glass dry before turning on your burner. If you're looking to achieve a contemporary fireplace setting, fireglass is an eye-catching feature to help you stand out from the crowd. For help selecting an appliance that showcases the modern look of fireglass, our NFI Certified specialists are just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.